My name is Avni, and I, along with my teammate Vamshi, in today's video, present to you our project for the Geek Olympics Hackathon. The project involves a thorough data analysis of the Olympic Games using Python and popular data science libraries to uncover insights about athletes, countries, and disciplines across history. So, coming to the problem statement, the Olympic Games is a huge event that generates a wealth of data. With so many countries, athletes, sports, and events, it's challenging to make sense of all these figures. So, our main area of focus here is analysis of gender wise participation in Olympic Games. To help with that, we've used data science techniques to help explore these data points and uncover interesting facts and trends. So, let's start with a brief code walkthrough. So, the first major part is understanding the data and how it's structured, and then we move on to the analysis part. So, my teammate will take you through the code walkthrough.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Vamshi. So here we can see a overview of the dataset provided by the Geek Studios, where we have information about the athlete and the event type he has participated with the medal won and the URL for his bio, and then rest informations. So we have some missing values. These are mostly related to the athlete's details. So we have decided to not replace this missing values just to keep them as this, as it may lead to or alter any statistical distributions. Yeah, we can see the medal count for gold, silver, and bronze, and then we can also see the medal count, the overall medal count by each gender, men, women, and then other genders. So yeah. We can see the total number of medals won by each country. The first is USA in standing with around 3,000 plus medals, followed by the other countries. This graph is with respect to the gold medal. Yeah, and then this is the graph with respect to medals, and then the sports title like athletics, swimming, wrestling, etc. Yeah, and then this graph is about each individual person and the number of medals won by him. This is just the top 10 highest performing athletes. Yeah, so we can see that this graph is for year-wise progression of the medals for top 10 countries. There are some irregular spikes in the data. This might be due to the missing values as we have not replaced them with any other values. Yeah, and then this is the distribution of medals for the year progression. We can see in the initial years there is a huge gap between medals won by men and women. But then as the year progression happens, there is almost a similar overlap between the medals won. Yeah, and then this is the gender-wise medals won for each country. We can see that Australia, Canada, and then China have a republic, so they have a rich contribution of each gender in the games. But then the other countries still have a lot of scope for overall improvement. Yeah. So we can see for each country the graph of medals won by men and women. For some countries like Australia, Germany, and then Italy, the graphs are almost overlapping. This indicates there is a rich contribution of both men and women in the sports field. But then coming to countries like Canada and then Sweden, China, so there is a scope for improvement. And then there are many irregularities. So this is the distribution of medals across the sports. We can see that only swimming has a noticeable comparison between men and women. But then the rest, all sports, they still require further more introspection, and then they also require more participation of each gender. Yeah. So from here on, my teammate Avni will continue.
So as we can see here, the medals won over the course of years by a few top athletes can be seen. The blue represents the male athletes, and the yellow, as we can see, represents female athletes. So, like over the course of years, are they winning more medals, or has their performance declined? That can be seen here. um, and yeah, next we come to the medals won by different genders in different countries. The disparities we find in this overview is a reflection of how diverse the country's sporting infrastructure support and encourage their male and female players. It's important to note that these differences are not just indicators of like athletic performance, but also of the societal, economic, and cultural factors that shape sporting participation and success. So, lastly, we show the gender difference in medals for each discipline. So, in like different sports, if like probably like females win more medals, then probably males have to be encouraged more, or like the facilities that should be provided, that should be increased. Or if it's like more for females, then the same emphasis or effort should be put to improve the medals won by females. So, yeah, in summary, this project has taken a deep dive into the data of the Olympic Games, providing us with insights that could be beneficial to a range of audience, from athletes and coaches who can use it for performance analysis, to event organizers who can use it for planning, to fans who simply just want to understand the games better. So, thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you found it informative and interesting. I'm looking forward to your feedback and suggestions. Thank you.